Hey guys, I am going to show you how to make emergency kimchi. I've already started this by chopping up a head of green cabbage into strips, just like that. Now take 1 cup of water and a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt and start mix so that it coats the cabbage. Now set your cabbage aside for at least 10 minutes. Now we're going to make the paste. For your kimchi paste, you need 1/3 cup of hot chili pepper. Just red pepper, chili flakes. And to your chili peppers, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of light brown sugar. You can use dark brown sugar if you want, or you can even use granulated. Now add 1/4 cup of fish sauce. If you don't have fish sauce, you can substitute it with soy sauce. Now add 1/4 cup of minced garlic. You can use the kind from the jar, or you can mince it yourself. 1/4 cup is equivalent to 3 tablespoons. About 1/3 cup of sliced scallions. If you don't have scallions, you can substitute by using a small onion. And last, you're going to add about 1/4 to about 1/2 cup of shredded carrot. These are already pre-shredded. You can just take a whole carrot and slice it up. Just make sure you slice it thin. Now, I didn't end up having enough scallions, so I put a few diced onions in here. You really can't mess this up too much. Now mix all of this together. Here's our paste, and you're going to set this aside. And now we're going to rinse our cabbage off, rinse all the salt off, and drain it really well. And now add the rest of your cabbage to the bowl and add your paste. You really should use gloves when you do this, so just make sure to massage all of the paste into all of your pieces of cabbage. Now get yourself a large container, or you can use a few small containers. Just use something that has a tight fitting lid, and place all of your kimchi into your container. And there is our emergency kimchi. It looks fabulous. Now you can eat this right away. I don't know if you're going to be kissy-kissying anytime soon after you eat this kimchi. And this will stay good probably for months. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your Sunday. See you later. Oh, come on. You know I have to try this. Here we go. Very spicy, very delicious, very healthy. Make this. Bye.